Hi, today I thought we could have a look at this. It's a microphone, but to save time I've already unboxed it. Here it is. It's not your average microphone. Let's have a closer look. This on the front is a pop shield. That's when you're speaking so you don't get a pop when you actually speak. Microphone itself, as you can see, it comes on a tripod, and yes, it is adjustable. The microphone itself is actually suspended by rubber bands. You can't see them, but trust me, it is. That's to eliminate vibration from whatever it's standing on. The really important thing about this microphone, let's turn it round, is the back. I'll zoom in for you. USB socket for the cable to connect it to the computer. Volume control for the microphone output. It has a 3.5mm jack here to plug headphones into. The idea being you can actually listen to what the microphone is listening to. That really does help when you're doing voiceovers. The other end of the lead that plugs into the microphone is USB. There is one small, not problem, but something worthy of note. If you tell your computer to play something, or you go backwards on the track you're recording, then you will not hear it from the computer's speakers. You will only hear it via the headphones that are plugged into the microphone. I have used it a few times, and it does seem rather good. But then again, it is my first microphone that accepts headphones. I have to admit, I'm quite pleased with it. This is the first microphone I've had that accepts headphones. And need you ask? Yes, I've added this in after the video was made. So yes, this is the actual microphone. I shall leave a link in the description of where you too can get one. If you like what you've seen, a thumbs up will be appreciated. A subscription to the channel will be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching.